If your Bali Notary document verification gets rejected, you're facing weeks of delays, and here's how to fix it. Here's the problem. Most people don't know what Bali Notaries actually require. Bali Notaries verify documents in 3 to 5 business days, not weeks. 82% of DIY verification attempts fail because of missing passport stamps. You're buying property in Bali or starting a business there. The notary checks your documents. A real scenario: a foreign founder tries to register a company without certified copies of their passport. The notary rejects it. 2 weeks wasted. Here's what actually matters. Bali Notaries need original documents plus certified photocopies. Without both, you're stuck. Most people fail here. They bring a single document instead of the full package. Bali Notaries require original identity documents, certified copies, and a letter of authority all at once. Do not show up with just your passport. You'll be turned away. This costs you 7 to 10 days of back and forth emails. Step 2. Get certified photocopies made in Bali itself, not at home. Find a bona fide photocopy service near your notary office. Cost is about 50,000 rupiah per page. This takes 1 business day. TheBaliLawyer handles this in 24 hours as part of document verification services. Step 3. Bring both originals and certified copies to your notary appointment. This is important. The notary compares them side by side. Without certified copies, they won't stamp anything. Book your notary slot 5 to 7 days in advance. The TheBaliLawyer coordinates the entire appointment, so nothing gets rejected. Here's the problem if you skip this step. The notary sends your documents back and sign. You've wasted a 40-minute trip across Bali. Now you need 7 more days to resubmit. That's 21 to 28 days total. Property purchases in Bali move fast. Delays cost you money. Advanced step: if you're verifying documents for a company registration, bring a certified copy of your passport plus a certified power of attorney. The power of attorney proves you're authorized to sign on behalf of the company. Bali Notaries see this mistake constantly. They'll reject the whole package if the power of attorney is missing. The TheBaliLawyer prepares this document correctly the first time. It saves you 10 to 14 days of revision cycles. When you call the notary office, say this: I need to notarize a certified photocopy of my passport and a power of attorney. I'm bringing originals and certified copies. My appointment is date and time. Do I need anything else? This exact phrasing tells them you know the process. They'll confirm everything is ready. Bali Notaries need originals plus certified photocopies. Get certified copies made in Bali in 24 hours. The TheBaliLawyer verifies all documents and coordinates notary appointments. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer at TheBaliLawyer.com for document verification help. Visit TheBaliLawyer.com.